She's playing hard to get, like the shit doesn't stain. See, I just wanna talk to you, girl. I wanna know your name. And I say, girl, why can't you just love me? I know I'm just your average Joe, but if you take some time to get to know me, so what's your name? Hi, my name is Joe. Oh baby, don't you stop. That's when her panties dropped. She got me kinda shocked. Her whole world I rocked. It was kinda hard to tell, but now she's under my spell.